Hey guys, it's Sleepy Pandas here, and today we are back with some more glue and some more borax, and we're making slime. So I have pink glitter glue, and Jacob has normal white Elmer's glue. So the method we're using is a teaspoon of borax and a cup of water. So we just poured our slime in our bowls. Jacob got he poured more than me, but now we're going to just pour the borax in slowly. So right now we are just mixing our glue, and he added some blue food dye to his, but I didn't add any. So I don't know if this one was a fail. It's not that stretchy.
Mine's not even turned out yet.
I don't know if it's that stretchy because
she didn't add lotion before she put it on.
Well, I didn't follow a recipe. I just thought it would work. But this is like a putty slime. And this is Jacob's, and he needs to add more because we added some green glitter. If you don't see, I added some green glitter to mine, and that's Chantel's. So I would like to call mine putty. Jacob's, on the other hand, is really soft. Not soft, but it's doesn't really feel like slime. It feels super weird. And Chantel's is kind of like putty too.
And mine is called Lucky Charms.
Mine is called Easter slime. And what is yours, Jacob's?
Blue dinosaur.
Blue dinosaur?
That's stupid.
Okay, well,
You're nice.
that was it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next slime video. Bye!
How's cheerleader going?